Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to rotate an image in Google Docs. Open Google Docs. Click on Insert tab at the top tools bar. Go to Image. Click on Upload from Computer. A new window will open. Choose the image and click on Open. Select the photo. Resize if needed. Click on the top middle dot at the top border of the image. Hold the click and move the mouse to rotate the image. You can also use Top Tools bar. Click on Image Options at the top tools bar. The right side panel will open. Go to Size and Rotation. Go to Rotate. Set the angle value to rotate the image. Close the panel once done.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!